So we all know DJ Shimza, right? The award-winning DJ and producer. He's been in the entertainment game for a while now, and he's been one of those DJs that really know how to rock his audience. So he's been sort of those kind of guys who are buma cheese boy ababengayo status for the longest of time, with many trusting him for a good time out. So moving right along, moving forward, is Zolo. Yesterday, Shimza posted this. Please come celebrate my birthday with me this coming Sunday/Monday. So in the poster itself, he had actually mentioned a few other DJs and artists that will be there. So those are DJs and artists that he will be featuring in his event. And among them was Scott Mapuma. Now the fans were not having this at all. Ngithi, the comment section went crazy. Let me share a few of the things that were said by the people. Do what's best for the fans and replace Scott, or he will perform with flying bottles on stage. The other read, please tell us what time Scott is performing. I want to be there to see something. Then another, when Scott performs, we are all facing the other direction. Then the other, your lineup is great, but Scott, my attitude, no, Shimza. Replace him with Cairo. You won't regret it. Then the other, Tembisa people, we trust you to do what's right. Scott Wama attitude must feel you guys. Then the other says, with Scott, I don't like this boy Shem. Another one wants Scott not to go to Tembisa, otherwise his career is done. Guys, don't do Scots like that, please. Another one says, I was going to support you, brother, but because there's Scott, I'm sorry, Bafo. Another one says, Tembisa people, I won't be there, unfortunately. So do what's best for the country. If you don't get it, forget about it. So Lana, we see Zandile is still asking, what did you do to them, Scott? Yo, Farah God, help him. And another says, hey, Tembisa people, please don't disappoint Scott. Another says, when Scott performs, we are all going out to get something to eat. Give that man the space that he needed. Omong are, wash him, replace Scott my attitude, kale kompa artist. I know you didn't have beef with Scott. You shouldn't have invited him after the incident that happened recent days or weeks in a podcast. The guy needs to learn his lesson. That without people, he's nothing. Another one said he asked for space and they gave it to him. Let us know when Scott performs so that we can give him that space that he had requested from us. Omunye uthi Tembisa people, please do not fail us as South Africa. Omunye came saying, I trust Imambisa people. Teach that boy a lesson. I get this one was funny for me. Uthi Tembisa people, I think we need urgent rehearsals. When Scott is performing, we all sing Kasongo. Omunye uthi it should have been Sun El musician instead of Uma Puma. Omunye uthi let's attend the event in numbers and give Uma attitude his medication. So the last one that I'm going to read for today goes, how do you even put Scots up in the lineup? Should I come pay my money to be disrespected if I want a picture? And he even said himself that he wants space. We as a country are now giving him his space. This message continues, but I'm not going to read ahead. Guys, ngithi kuningi ntwana yam. There are so many comments that are addressing Scott being one of the performers at the celebration. Kuningi man.
Ithathela kakhulu because abantu sebalithathile isat labo ngane. Ebantwini ngumuntu one-attitude and ngumuntu rude, so it is what it is. Ayikho into engizoyenza. Yeah, plus angithi sinalo emhlabeni. Yeah, so like kunabantu nabo bakuvelela into engekho shaba makhala umuntu ungizondela mara akakufuni like yeah and ayikho into ongayenza. Yeah, the more
that's how it is, bitch.
Yeah, and
So Ndwanas, actually, I want to hear from you. Ne? I want to hear your side of this. I want to hear your thoughts. Tell me, Scott was wrong ne, in his behavior and in the words that he used. But do you think that he can ever be redeemed? Like if he were to apologize in Njengandlela Thize and to just say sorry, would South Africans ever forgive him? So for those like Uzandile who missed exactly why South Africans are so annoyed and so angry or ignoring Scott rather, take a listen to this.
Like yeah, if akinyaki uta snap akinyaki kana kuiwa if akinyaki I don't feel like it.
And you know they don't understand. They don't understand that. If we tell
unfortunately.
Okay, let's play devil's advocate. What if they say, Scott, we made you successful, we made you who you are. you owe it to us. Kipaila, I always stream your music. You owe it to us to actually have a picture.
No, I don't think I owe it to them. I don't owe it to. I don't think any celebrity owes anyone.
But whenever they feel entitled.
That's the problem. It's their problem. Like, if it's not my problem, it's not my problem. Mo ke qualifating grotmanyaka.
Yeah.
If nak vaga mdimo. Ha ona motho o nkirileng gore ke fitlhe mo ke leng teng vandag. And ha ona motho o tong ntsha mo ke leng teng ke le mo vandag. So it's now for me it's like that because people feel why rona re sa feel entitled. So if I get nakele celebrity. Ora tshwantse ke tswe mo ko strateng ke fitlhe ke shape ngwanyana batho di bonu tsa gae ko morago. Or ke mo spank or ke mo msune whenever I want to. This is like nekirela sister mong example kere this is like exactly what you guys were complaining about. Gore alsa khona o shapa di qepe tsa lena. Go di ranking what because la itse gore bontate ba di what ba to le harasa or whatever. So nna just because kabina so I'm not allowed to go to mall ke lo reka skipa sa ka sa Nike a kenyaka because when ke tshaba wena o batla snap a ka tlela motho mo go lefatseng. Yeah, so le batla batlela nna ke ra music. If you wanna listen to my music, you listen to my music. If you don't want to, you don't want to. Because at the end of the day, it's their ears, it's their data, it's their everything. Like it's like that for me. So and about when I understand, rona ra khona understand this person likes me. He or she actually likes my music. Let me just give her one picture. And at the end of the day, I understand. It's just a picture. It's not a big deal. It's just a picture. I carry on with my life.
So Scott has told you guys that absolutely no one can remove him from where he is except for God, because God is the one who put him there. Kodwa manje, I fear South Africans, manje, they seem to be ready to remove him from this top throne. Yo, Aisha Maganing.
Kingi? Ingi? Eh? Oh, why you shebile wena? Unshebelang, akukoloti mbusi. Mara na akukoloti. Akukoloti neng silo ko bophelo. Ka o kolotan. Manje unshebileng. Ke tshwere ya hao nna. Ke tshwere ya hao. Yo, unshebileng nna. Some pape now.
Yo, Niti, his approach to his fans gives me pains in my stomach, Ntwana. Yo, do me a favor, Hle. Help a sister's channel grow by liking and sharing my video, Hle. Please do comment as well so I can get your view on this topic. So from me to you, it's Danko. Until next time.